Hi, it's Melanie Moore here, and back in 2020 I created a tapping video on letting go of worrying about the future. Now obviously 2020 was a big year. We were right in the thick of the pandemic and there was a lot of stuff going on which was causing fear and anxiety and worry for people. I've been asked if I could do a more updated tapping video that's not specific to 2020 or the pandemic, but just to talk about general anxiety about the future. Now, there's a lot of things going on in the world for a lot of people across cultures, different countries, things that affect politics, that affect wars, that affect finances, and there are a lot of people that are genuinely filled with despair, worry and anxiety about the future. So this is for anyone who's going through any of those kind of anxious feelings, really feeling the fear about the future. And what I want you to do, rather my intention, is to get you back to a place of feeling calm, to reset your nervous system so that you can think more clearly. You can make choices that are going to benefit you, your family, and take some power back. That's my intention of this tapping video, to feel more empowered, that everything is not out of your hands, that you do have more power than you realize when it comes to your future. So I hope that will make sense, and just tap along with me. If you're new to me, check out my other tapping videos, check out the description of this video for other resources on how I can support you further. So if you're new to tapping, just do as I do, say as I say, talk and tap, and just repeat my words after me. So let's tap, here we go. Even though I have so much fear and anxiety about what the future holds, I'm recognizing these emotions, and I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm holding on to so much stress in my body, there's so much worry and anxiety which is robbing me of my peace. I'm recognizing those emotions and I'm ready to let them go now. And I choose to deeply and completely love and honor myself. And even though I sometimes feel powerless at times, that everything is out of my hands, and this leaves me full of fear and anxiety, I'm letting that go now too. And I'm going to regulate my emotions and rewire my thinking so that I can become more empowered, feel more at peace, and have hope for the future. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and forgive myself, and maybe even to those who have contributed to the way I am feeling. All this anxiety in my body, all this fear, all this worry, I'm recognizing all these emotions and how they've robbed me of my peace, my well-being, and even my power. I'm clearing that all away now. letting go of the worry letting go of the anxiety, and I'm letting go of the fear. I'm clearing it all away now, so that I can bring myself to a place of peace, a place of equilibrium. Calling back in my energy, calling back in all my power, calling back in the peace, giving myself a complete reset. Because from a place of peace, a place of calm, and a place of power, I can think more clearly, I can make more informed decisions, and I can allow myself to recalibrate again. So right now I'm just focusing on this piece and calling back all my energy and allowing myself to resettle. Allowing the inspiration to come. Allowing the ideas to come. So that I can send this energy back out to others. Allowing myself to get clear on my purpose, on my values. And I'm calling in the qualities of love, of compassion, and of unity. That I can feel that with those around me. That we are all part of the one human race. And there are so many of us who want love, peace, and unity. These are the things we have in common. So I'm allowing love, peace, and unity to lead the way and to be my guide. Allowing myself to feel more at peace so that I can focus on the things that are in my control. And there is so much more than I realise. Thinking about all the things I'm grateful for. Thinking about the people who really matter to me. But I can only do this from a place of peace. From a place of love and compassion. Allowing myself to feel more powerful. Reclaiming my energy. Feeling more grounded and centered. So that I can walk the path of peace. Feeling better and better. Feeling more grounded. More certain. and more hopeful. Feeling more and more at ease now. Calling back all my energy in body, mind and spirit. Now take a nice deep breath in and exhale. So I'd love to know how that tapping video has helped you, how you're feeling now, and I want you to think about one positive thing that you can do to send even more ripples of positivity out there into the world. So please do make sure you subscribe to my channel, check out my other tapping videos, and I can't wait to tap with you next time. Take care. Bye for now.